Welcome back, adventurers and tech enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you, the Apple Watch Ultra. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and capabilities of this rugged and powerful smartwatch. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future tech adventures. Now, let's get started. The Apple Watch Ultra is the ultimate companion for athletes and adventurers alike. With its robust titanium case and precision dual-frequency GPS, it's designed to withstand extreme environments and provide accurate location data for calculating distance, pace, and route maps. Whether you're a runner, hiker, or a water sports enthusiast, the Apple Watch Ultra has a band tailored to your specific needs. From the Alpine Loop Band for outdoor adventures to the Ocean Band for scuba diving, these specialized bands are as meticulously crafted as the watch itself. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Apple Watch Ultra. First up, the display. With its always-on Retina display, it's the brightest and largest display ever seen on an Apple Watch. It provides incredible visibility, even in the brightest outdoor conditions. The Wayfinder face allows you to activate night mode, ensuring better viewing in low-light situations. And with the larger display, you have more room for workout metrics and detail-packed watch faces. It's like having a personal trainer right on your wrist. When it comes to GPS performance, the Apple Watch Ultra truly shines. It features a precision dual-frequency GPS system, integrating both L1 and L5 GPS for incredible accuracy and precise metrics. This means whether you're training in urban streets or exploring remote wilderness, you can rely on the Apple Watch Ultra to provide you with the most precise data. And that's not all. The Apple Watch Ultra also comes equipped with a redesigned compass app. It provides accurate compass readings and additional functionality for wrist-driven orienteering. With features like compass waypoints and backtrack, you can easily navigate your way through any adventure. Now, let's talk about health and safety. The Apple Watch Ultra is packed with powerful features to help you stay healthy and safe during your adventures. It includes temperature sensing for women's health insights, advanced sleep tracking, ECG recording, fall detection, and emergency SOS capabilities. These features can be a lifesaver, giving you peace of mind while exploring the great outdoors. Whether you're monitoring your heart rate, tracking your sleep patterns, or using the ECG app for heart rhythm analysis, the Apple Watch Ultra is there to support your well-being. Stay connected wherever you go with the Apple Watch Ultra. It features cellular connectivity, allowing you to make calls, send texts, stream music, get directions, and even use Apple Pay right from your wrist. It's like having a mini smartphone with you at all times. And speaking of convenience, the Apple Watch Ultra is powered by Siri and gives you access to the App Store. You can find apps for nearly any sport or activity. Download them directly on your watch and enhance your overall experience. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some users who have experienced the Apple Watch Ultra in action. Noah. As an avid hiker, the Apple Watch Ultra has been a game-changer for me. The precise GPS and accurate elevation readings help me navigate challenging trails with confidence. Oliver. I love the rugged design of the Apple Watch Ultra. It can withstand the toughest conditions, whether I'm climbing mountains or diving deep into the ocean. It truly lives up to its name. James. The health features of the Apple Watch Ultra have been invaluable to me. From monitoring my heart rate during workouts to tracking my sleep patterns, it's like having a personal health coach right on my wrist. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Ultra is a remarkable piece of technology that combines durability, functionality, and advanced features. It's the perfect companion for athletes, adventurers, and anyone looking to elevate their fitness and wellness journey. If you're ready to take your adventures to the next level, we highly recommend getting your hands on the Apple Watch Ultra. And remember, to stay updated with the latest tech adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.